Scam School Remix! Here's a dead simple, diabolical way for you to score a free drink and make somebody look dumb.
All right, Professor Wordley, we're gonna put your skills to the test. I just need you to come up with as many words as you can in 90 seconds that don't have A, B, C, or the letters J, K, M, or P. Think about it, like it's not like I, the.
Yeah.
There's plenty of them. You got 90 seconds. I'll mark them down. Bella, tell us ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
The, do, dow, would, good, hood, food, die with the Y instead of the I, row, through, chew, vet,
All right.
jot,
Yep.
tot,
Tot.
stone,
Stone, sure.
stone,
Stone, yep.
ground.
Ground, got it.
Can I say bad words?
Sure, why not? We'll bleep it. Yep.
What those words?
Yep.
Time.
Time! All right, grand total. After 90 seconds, you got 22. Not bad. Very verbose, but I'm gonna make an unusual bet. I'll bet that Bella can come up with, between the two of us, we can come up with 50 words that don't have A, B, C, J, K, M, or P.
Okay.
And I bet we could do it in under 90 seconds, and I will only provide 5 of those words. The other 45 will all come from Bella. You gonna take that bet?
All right, I'll take that bet.
All right, dude, it's on. Now remember, you only have 90 seconds. You give us a ready, set, go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Bella, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many words am I on?
Lime, jive, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
You only got
11,
60 seconds.
12,
You better go.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
There we go, look at that! With 45 seconds to spare, Bella's the champion!
The important part of this routine is the fact that you're using somebody else's friend and winning them over to your side. By dividing the two of them, setting up an unbeatable challenge, and instantly recruiting somebody, you make a friend, and of course they're left with no choice but to be a good sport and buy you both a drink. Scam School Remix is the best of 11 years and 500 plus episodes of Scam School. You can dive through the whole back catalog. Each episode is time compressed, so you learn in mere months what took us years. It's not a very good selling point. You learn very quickly. That's the important part.